Scrapers, sprays, even credit cards have been used to remove snow and ice from the windshield of your vehicle. Now there's a new defender, Snow Guard Professional, the most advanced windshield cover ever designed to remove snow and ice on your vehicle. Performance like no other cover. Fast, easy to install, takes less than 30 seconds, even in the windiest conditions. Protects your windshield, wiper blades, side view mirrors, and prevents interior windshield fogging, all in one cover. Snow Guard has a universal fit for most vehicles. All these advantages with Snow Guard Professional make it so you can quickly remove and go without scraping. So, if you're tired of scraping or just need another windshield cover, get the Snow Guard, the professional cover. Snow Guard comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so don't delay and get it today. Go to snowguardpro.com to order.